and you have a point where you can load your trucks, so it is a distribution facility. And these are pipe network, how it is distributed from one product to another to the pumps. Okay, you have seen it. I was telling you the red pipeline is for fire, water, the yellow is for uniform, and the white one is for petrol or product. So that is again, you have seen it already. Now, geology is very important to us, especially when it comes to tank foundations. And these are, I tried to get a few points for you. First, because we get the properties of the rocks from geology. And second, we get the structure and properties of the material we use to build. For example, the foundation you saw, it is constructed by marram, sand, okay? It is constructed by cement. It is constructed by bitumen. Also, the knowledge of groundwater for excavation. When we are excavating, we need to know how high is the water level, okay? So the water table to us is very important, because if you build your tank, the water table is high, so there is the uplift force on your tank, or the water may try to penetrate and mix your product with water, and it is very dangerous, especially for aviation fuel. You only come in some areas. Selection of material we do, mechanical engineers, strength analysis, mechanical engineer, bottom plates, design, mechanical engineer, roof structures, mechanical engineer. But we need key information from you. CMS, CS, mix, zone. How do you call it? You are professional there. So we need that information. And meteorological, they give us wind speed and temperature. And then internal pressure we decide, mechanical engineer. And the product density is given by users. For example, the aviation will tell you our planes will run, the engines will run at this specification of aviation fuel. So they give us the density, and we take the density we design for our tanks. So in construction stage, we have methodology. Actually, we have two types. We have jacking up. We build from top, and then we go lifting up. That is what you have seen. So, how to build a tank? You have some standards. So, these standards are very important for us. For a tank farm, we have NFPA 30. Who knows NFPA? National Fire Protection Association, whatever country it is. And then you have API, that's American Petroleum Institute. That is very important. API 650, which tells you how the tank should be and everything. And then you have the fire. Again, you go to the National Fire Protection Association, number 30. Those are standards, very important. You come across them. Now, just an example, the tank you have seen, this is a tank foundation ready. So it is basically excavated, then compacted, sand and marram, then on the top, sand bitumen mixture to protect against corrosion, right? Yeah, another question?
Thank you for your time. The question is, I want to ask you, what quick flash system does?
As I told you, Jet A1 is a product used for airplane, right? Now, I know you have some basic automobile engineering, some basic. There are several ways you can fight or extinguish a fire, okay? How many ways do we know to extinguish a fire? You need a lot of water. That is why we have a water tank. You saw the water tank there. Okay. Now, also you need a very high speed of delivery of the water. Okay. So the fire pump helps to increase the speed of water so that you can fight the fire effectively. That is number one. Number two, the fire water pump will help to create the foam. You saw the yellow pipeline. The fire pump will create enough pressure to make foam. Foam is like what? Like soap. So bubbles. But number three, fire pump is used to cool the tank. You saw those rings around the tanks. You have the sprinkler system. So the sprinkler system, it works if there is fire in one tank, before it catches to another tank, the sprinkler system will cool the other tanks.
طبعا أنا وأنا لنا receiving pipeline أو تبقى شدال كسر قادس مركب أو شو بس أنا أو integrated لا تقدر غير المحور يوم كلنا هاي توس بدر هكذا حشلات لين بعد لا تقدر توس كلنا غير ما بكذا غير بكذا ما كان for safety ما في عمان ولا استعمال because بكذا يشتغل من شو ملامه لأن كذا كان يروح استعماله يوم كذا وراكي safety ما في يعني مال أو لو أمريكا شغال معه لا تقول يعني ما عنده واحد أو يعني سلا أنا يعني سومالي أنا أقوم بري يعني كل اسمه حتى ما كان ما يريد شغال وروح كين دب الدب ده كان أنا اللي بفوقه وايد شغال مركب أنت بروح استعمالنا توس بدأ استعمال ولا pipeline كمان ده بدأ almost half kilometer away from أنا بحاول أقول استعمال حوالي شباب كذا فأنت طبعا استعمال صار البنزين ده يوم لازم نسمع الوقت باهي ولا كذا mereka kalau berada di zona storage kan zona isolasi atau meter storage atau di antara zona isolasi atau storage di zona berarti apa bahwa yang itu mungkin mereka itu tiba-tiba jadi mereka bahwa itu mungkin mereka ama itu pun atau tiba-tiba mungkin وكرة قيمة بديه معهم برشلونة ما مرة كان أول جنود مجاك أيام أول واحد أول كلاس سبعة أول كلاس نقل بيرتد جامعة بديه شكلها بديه ما نصور بدنا كويس هذا